Hey you guys, okay, so if you watched my Instagram, I just was talking about, okay, I came down, I've signed the paperwork, it's right there, and guess what, I decided to get 2 cases. So I'm talking to you guys for Instagram update, and up walks Debbie. Yes. So let me have her introduce, because I'm pretty sure we're going to see a lot more of Debbie, but she's also a good friend of my favorite girls, Fatbird Finds, Laura and Mary Beth. I'm going to have to put my mask on and come closer to you, okay? Because I don't have my mic.
All right. Hi. Debbie Mitchell, and my channel is going to be R Vagabond Travels. And I just was strolling through here and thought maybe it was Yvon, and so just wanted to say hey.
We just chatted, like her husband's already ditched us. Like we just chatted for like at least half an hour. It's just crazy. So I was very excited to meet Debbie for sure. Who knows where she's going to end up? She reminds me of George the Antique Nomad. Like right now they're in Colorado, but who knows where they're going to end up, right? You guys were thinking about maybe, where did you say?
Well, probably winter down in Arizona. So.
Oh, nice. You're going to be like snowbirds.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, you guys, that's all. Say bye, Deb.
Bye.
This booth has quite an eclectic mix of like oddities. Some vintage, some just antique maybe, if they're authentic. Some just crazy odd. I'll just let you guys look. Some of you probably know more of what you're looking at. Now I've never seen that, the Fred Flintstone and little pebbles. Salt and pepper shaker. Okay, that's cute. I can't see the price, darn it. That's cute. Just letting you guys look. Some people like to reminisce about this older stuff that they haven't seen for a while. Up top he has some unusual, just nothing seems to be in perfect condition, but still somewhat interesting for like display for a store or something, right? Or a restaurant. There are a lot of restaurants that buy knickknacks to put on their walls. Restaurants and bars. Again, I don't know what's real and just craziness. Some older pictures. Or at least made to look old. Like she's seriously tattooed, so I can't tell if it's in sepia tone or, you know, if that is just, you know, older lady. No, never mind. You guys know what I'm trying to say. She's not an older lady. You know what I'm trying to say. Tattoos have been around for a long time. There's someone made a home project, a Star Trek fan. Anything else? Oh, these are fun, but technically I think something's not right. It's supposed to move so it looks like water. The inside's not doing it. He says this is a vintage 1890s Mason hat. W.C. Thornton, there's the size. Cincinnati Regalia Company, Cincinnati, Ohio. So it's about that time. I know we haven't had Halloween yet. Wait a minute. Here's some Halloween stuff for you. Okay? But as far as selling, it is time to put out Christmas stuff for those that like to be prepared. I've been selling Christmas stuff already on my eBay. I don't even have a lot of it, but it's been selling. Started 2 weeks ago. And I've got one of these I need to get up. These are always popular. Prices are holding real steady on these. 75, 69, 80. So that's awesome. Wow, my mom had those way back in the 70s. Oh, that's a cute little one. This one's only 27. I like it with the snow frost on it. Okay, just showing you the Christmas stuff. Let's go look at this booth. I see a few interesting things that actually weren't even here just yesterday. Closing time anyways. I don't know. I think that's just an Asian import, but it's pretty. The color sway is pretty, and well, it's only $20. And this one is $25. It's not bad for the price. I don't know if that's like a Viking or anything, but not bad. I thought these were interesting. My family, you guys know by now, did stained glass. I thought these were interesting. Kind of beginner quality, but I like the shape. They're hanging. I like the shape and just the uniqueness of them. What else does this guy have? This, I say guy. It's funny how I attach guy or girl to different booths. An old parking meter. Ham radio. Just let you guys look, because like this is out of my wheelhouse. Okay. I like this lion on the floor. Solid concrete, $69. Some brass, $14 for that horse. $19. Hello. Hello, hello. Let me come around. Oh, now. Life-size aluminum horse head sculpture. Yes. That's pretty cool. Vintage Coffeeville BB&T Company Street Paver brick. $12. Hey, there are collectors for everything. I have learned, so. Oh boy. This is old school. Oh my goodness. Rare antique brass inkwell, original feather quill pen, $95. Oh boy. Don't want to touch it too much. That is definitely antique. All right, so what I'm doing is yesterday I saw something that I thought was a Blanco and it was good priced. And so I'm actually roaming around again here to try to find it because I got sidetracked yesterday. I like that chair. So I got sidetracked yesterday, so I'm gonna go try to find it. Here's a lesson. First glance looks like Murano, maybe Somerso, right? I don't know if you can see that. Underneath is the Made in China tag. Yeah. And they're super heavy, they feel quality. But again, look. So I'm not saying they're not pretty and moderately priced, right? Just don't be confused about, you know, exactly what they are. That's all. Found something else super cool that I did not notice yesterday unless they just brought it in. We have to go look at it. This. Okay, wait a minute. Let's start here. Handmade natural minerals fish decor, $4.95. Hi, you guys. Oh my God. Okay, wait a minute. Back up. I know it's kind of hard to see mixed in. So it's about just over 3 feet tall. A chunk of wood, and then fish decorated. The mirror is putting a little glare, so sorry about that. There. Come in close. Oh my gosh. So the mirror is giving a little bit of glare, but trust me, this is awesome. Oh, look in this little cranny. Oh my gosh. It's fun, huh? 30% off. Yay. What else is in here? I'm still trying to work my way around and find something that I should have bought yesterday and I got sidetracked. So I'm just working my way around. So I just talked to this gentleman. He's actually here working on his booth. It's a rather large one. I'm working my way into something. Oh, that's a real nagel. Well, I think it's just a print, but it's signed. 1,000. Remember those from the 90s? I don't know what this is, but it's interesting. I know if this print was shown at the Guggenheim. I'm saying that Guggenheim. Sorry, the mask. Roy, you guys say that, Lichtenstein. It's some nice illustration on it for sure. Just wanted to come in and look at that. Oh, I have this exact thing hanging in my bedroom. That's cute. It's $24. I have that one. That one's cute too. All right, let's move on. Okay, so he's got another nagel too. Look, this one's not signed, but that's a nice one. That's a nice one. It's $89. And he came back in. I told you he stepped out. He was on the phone or something. There he is. So I'm also meeting like some of my favorite booths, and I'm meeting people since I'm going to be a vendor here too. But this is Sam. Say hi, Sam.
Hi, nice to meet you.
So he and his girlfriend do this, and they sell in different marketplaces. And his booth is awesome. He has such a nice eclectic mix. I had to turn the camera back on again to show you guys this. I've hollered at him twice because his prices are crazy low, crazy low. But hey, that's how he likes it. Get things in and get them back out to a good new home. You girls are dying for this, right? Can you believe it? I feel like I should almost buy this. Like, it's not my groove, but oh my gosh. I know so many of you that are going to be like, Yvonne, go back and get that. But I did buy a couple things from him. Crazy prices. $10 for these Harley leather tassels with metal skull beads. Those are going to be for the eldest daughter. And then I was looking through his brass because you know that's coming back. And these two push plates in brass are only $1.50. Oh my gosh. Anyways, you guys, if you come here, please find Sam's booth. You won't be disappointed. It's back by the restrooms and where the snack bar used to be. Sam, anything? What are you?
Booth 236.
236 then. Maybe Sam will even be here, okay?
Yes. Thank you.
All right, you guys, let me go find that Blanco and head to the thrift store to try to find some things for my new showcases. I'll talk to you later. Thanks.